Welcome everyone. This video will share another informative online web-based learning platform from YouTube, the Creators Academy courses, which offers many free certification courses for students who need more extra abilities to enhance their skills. At the end, completion letter by YouTube. It's more beneficial for the beginners to advanced user, mainly who planning to start a YouTube channel. The policies, guidelines, and much more. There are 6 main categories to explore. First, getting started. Second, content strategy. Third, production. Fourth, channel optimization. Fifth, money and business. Sixth, policies and guidelines. Now click on each topics and explore more courses to learn. First, click on Getting Started. The course for the beginner is about the Quick Start Guide to YouTube. Number of lessons and duration. The following topic is Content Strategy. This course divided into 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. It's about setting the music in YouTube. Let's move on to the next topic is production. It also divided into 3 levels. It's about live streaming, video and so forth. Next topic is channel optimization. This part into 2 levels. It's about YouTube community tools such as analytics. Next topic is money and business, which also divided into 3 levels. It's about earnings YPP. YouTube Partner Program. The last topic is policies and guidelines. It's all about policies, copyright, and guidelines to keep your channel clean. To start learning a course, you have to sign in with your email and password. By clicking a topic, select a course, it takes to another dashboard. You can see all course contents and related videos. Keep completing all lessons with a short quiz. At the end, attend the course exam to get completion letter by YouTube. In the main menu, click Catalog, which leads to all the courses. Select by categories and levels. Under Learning Toolkits menu, you will have more options to learn. Check it out. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be very useful who is looking for online courses. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you require any particular course. I try to get it for you. See you on my next video.